Yeah, the delivery was amazing. I mean, they went all out with the entire, the concept and the process. And I can understand they must have taken such a, great pain to arrange everything. And a lot of my biker friends had come, and it was fun. Thank you so much, Shaman Triumph, for making this unforgettable experience.
Hey guys, so what you just saw is a specially curated delivery experience that we at Shaman Triumph are offering. To know more, get in touch with us. Arash Kola signing off. See ya.